Firstly, I'd like to start off the video by saying a big massive thank you to the team over at Flexi Labels. I contacted them to see if they can print out a design for one of our friend Alex over at Into Detailing without having to bulk buy to be able to get the 20 prints that I needed. I sent over the design and were very quick in replying back. They were able to get the work done and my request hassle free. All I can say is the labels turned out to be in a very high quality and would recommend to use if you're needing labels printed off, or even contact them if you're unsure of anything. I'll put their link in the description if you want to have a look. I hope you are all well, it's Willie. We finally have the opportunity to give the car a good exterior clean, as our weather had been horrible in Scotland for the past month. This must be the worst the car had been under our ownership. I've used Michelin King's Wax Plus as our last stage protection when I last washed the car a month ago, and it's still holding up well. As you can see, the bottom of the car is covered with a layer of traffic film. The joys and fun of driving during the winter months when it's been wet and cold, the temperature is dropping below freezing. Driving past the gritters spreading grit onto the road and hearing it ping off the car gives me the cringe. We'll be correcting the full car for our post-winter detail during springtime. Hit the subscribe button if you want to keep an eye out for the content. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll also be changing away the Tiffany blue accents, as you can see the damage on the wrap on our front splitter. I'm going to be wrapping them using Vivid's Forged Carbon. The M Performance rear diffuser will be fun to do. Comment down below what you think. I had to go over the wheels a good few times just to get it back up to my standards. I'm hoping during spring I'll be able to get my alloys refurbed, as they are corroding. Alright, let's get to work. The next step was to dry the car off and top up the wax plus then dress the tyres, but the inevitable happened. It started to rain. I didn't have any spray and rinse sealant left to do a quick top up. Sometimes in this situation it's unavoidable and there's nothing really we could do about it. Here are the results. I hope to see you on the next one.